Hey there, thanks for your interest in Tell Your Story Like a Pro, media pitching and consulting. I'm Dwann Holmes, a TV journalist by trade, which means I've worked at TV stations all across the country and have been featured on ABC, CBS, NBC, and CNN. Believe it or not, my TV news career came to a halt after I and my TV production company received too much media attention. Here's how the Nashville scene documented it. Channel 5 General Manager Debbie Turner would not comment on Holmes' dismissal, but station insiders say she was fired in part due to recent news stories about her business, DNC Productions. The business, which specializes in web design, video production, and something called corporate identity, had recently been featured in the Tennessean and in the Urban Journal. It's not that Holmes kept her company a secret. In fact, she was very open about it. But station officials apparently recoiled at all the publicity the company was receiving. They pressured her to limit her part-time work, sources say. But Holmes, who had been at the station for only a year and a half, apparently refused, perhaps because she was drawing considerable income from her company. Holmes was officially let go on April 17th. Ironically, just days after she won an Associated Press award for news writing. Shortly afterward, Channel 5 sent a memo to its staff saying only that Holmes had left to pursue other opportunities. Yep, that's a whole other story. But it's true, and that experience is really how and why I'm able to help you. I have that unique experience of covering the news and being on the news. Now, more than 20 years later, I am still on the news yearly here in Jacksonville, Florida, simply because I know how to tell my story like a pro. If you need help getting your story out to the right news outlets, and if you're ready to learn how to tell your story like a pro with ease every time, no need to look or research any further. You are in the right place. First, provide your name, email, and phone number, and you will immediately receive my Tell Your Story Like a Pro e-course straight to your email. And if you know that you're ready to find out more details and get my help immediately with your media vision, click the button right here that says I'm ready to move forward.